Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Grammy-winning artist Sean Paul recently made an appearance on U.S. daily entertainment news show Access Hollywood. During Wednesday's episode of the show, the Grammy winner spoke on his chart-topping collaborations with artists like Rihanna, Sia and Tovlo. He also reminisced on achieving his first #1 with Beyonce's Baby Boy.
What was very special about songs like this is that she's a great established artist and it was her first solo album, but she came to me and the tracks are actually dancehall music. A lot of times I do step outs, I'm on other people's tracks, but this was showing, especially me, and proving to my own self that my culture, dancehall and reggae music is such a strong thing.
Sean Paul also spoke on his growing family and his newly released tracks and what music means to him.
Music to me is something that brings us all together, you know what I mean?
Sean Paul recently dropped a new single dubbed Big Things, which has been well received. The video features his son Levi as well as club performances and appearances. The track is featured on his no caption rhythm, which also has several other dancehall stars. Now, roots reggae and dub poetry band Nomads will be taking their latest album Heaven on Earth worldwide. The promotional tour will see the duo performing across Europe this summer. The album Heaven on Earth was officially released in August and features 11 tracks, including songs like Chant, Hold It, Mountain Lion, and The Trod, among others. The album also sees collaborations with British actor and artist Idris Elba on the track dubbed Beat Them Down. The project was co-produced with the Major Lazer's Washy Fire and is the debut project since Nomad became a duo. The group is popularly known for tracks such as Poo 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 and Shutters. Nomads was formed 2 decades ago. Their sound is a fusion of a unique dub poetry style with multiple music genres, and it carries the spirit of Jamaica's roots music.
Brixton, who have a clocks like this? In a Kingston, who have a clocks like this? In a Rastaman, who have a clocks like this?
Now the RJ Aglina cross-country invasion heads to St. Anne. Tonight we'll see the Street Jam in Monique Square in St. Anne. The Street Jam will be followed by the RJ Aglina cross-country invasion roadshow, making final stops in Trelawney, St. Anne and St. Catherine. Now, the roadshow will treat patrons to exciting performances from the Turf President himself, Lizzie Signal, Tanso, Nesbeth, Macadiamond, The Angel, Rondell Positive, among others. See you on the road. Now, onto the international scene where American rapper Megan Thee Stallion has dropped her new EP dubbed Sugar. The album follows her highly publicized battle with her record label, which resulted in a lawsuit. She was granted a temporary restraining order and was able to proceed with the release. Sugar is named after her newest alter ego and features 9 tracks. The EP also includes collaborations with Kehlani and Gunna and boasts production from the Neptunes, Timbaland, and Tommy Brown. Sugar now sits at number 6 on the Apple Music Top Albums chart. Megan Thee Stallion recently received a Recording Industry Association of America RIAA Platinum certification for Hot Girl Summer Remix, which features Nicki Minaj and Ty Dolla $ign. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.